So, today we are talking about 7 brutal traps that can secretly ruin your life and, more importantly, how to avoid them. These are not just random mistakes, they are sneaky habits that feel normal but slowly hold us back. प्रेजेंट में तो ये नॉर्मल जैसे लगेंगे, लेकिन यही छोटे छोटे चीज़ें बाद में हमें आगे बढ़ने से रोकेंगे. So, let's find these traps and learn how to avoid them. Number 1. The comfort illusion. Why it is a trap? Staying in your comfort zone feels safe, but over time it leads to stagnation. You might avoid risk like quitting a dead-end job, starting a business, or pursuing a passion. But in reality, avoiding risk becomes the biggest risk. You wake up years later wondering शायद उस टाइम वो एक्शन ले लिया होता तो आज जिंदगी कितना बेहतर होता. So, to escape this trap, we have to take a calculated risk. If you want to start something new, like starting a business or working on side hustles or learning a new skill, we should start today by taking a small step. और अपने fear of starting को दूर करने के लिए हम अपने आप से ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कि what is the cost of not doing this? अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? Next we have the someday syndrome. हम खुद से ये कहते हैं कि आई विल ट्रैवल व्हेन आई रिटायर. जब मेरे पास अच्छा खासा सेविंग्स हो जाएगा तब मैं बिजनेस शुरू करूँगा. और आई विल गेट फिट एंड गो टू जिम फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट मंथ. बट समडे इज ए मिथ. इट इज जस्ट ए टाइप ऑफ प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन. जिंदगी ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा और हम ऐसे ही परफेक्ट मोमेंट का इंतजार करते रह जाएंगे और वो परफेक्ट टाइम कभी नहीं आएगा. सो हाउ टू स्किप दिस ट्रैप? Pick your biggest someday goal like writing a book, moving abroad, starting a business and start within 24 hours. 24 घंटे के अंदर ही कुछ ना कुछ एक्शन लो. If you want to write a book, write one page. If you want to start a business, do some research about the market today. In this way, we can avoid this someday syndrome. The next we have the validation trap. Seeking approval from others like parents, friends, society means living their life, not yours. हम उन लोगों के हिसाब से जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, ना कि खुद का. You might choose a career to impress others or stay in a relationship that you don't want to continue. Suppress and change your true personality to fit in your peer groups. Over time, we will lose our true self. So, how to skip this? Start making decisions purely from your heart. खुद के लिए डिसीजन लो. Ask yourself, whose life am I living? ये जो जिंदगी में जी रहा हूँ, क्या वो मैंने खुद से चूज किया है या किसी का कॉपी करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? So, practice self-validation. खुद को क्वेश्चंस पूछो. Your opinion of yourself matters the most. Number 4. The success mirage. Society defines success as money, fame और status. Society ने money, fame और status को success का definition बना के रखा है, जो कि 50% सही भी है. लेकिन क्या हो अगर तुम्हारा success का definition अलग हो, जो कि होता ही है क्योंकि सब लोगों का success का definition अलग अलग होता है. So, to escape this, define success for yourself. तुम्हारा success क्या है? It can be freedom, creativity, peace, impact or something else. For me, it is peaceful environment and freedom to do things that I like. Yours can be totally different. So analyze your current path and check whether it aligns with your values and goals. If not, find your own definition of success. Number 5. The relationship anchor. Toxic relationships with friends, partners, family may drain your energy, self-worth and growth. फिर भी हम उन relationships में रहते हैं. To escape these traps, analyze your 5 closest relationships. Do they inspire you or demotivate you? Create distance from the toxic one by setting boundaries or cutting contact, and invest more in relationships that elevate you, motivate you to improve in life. Dividing our relationship into these 2 groups is very important to live a fulfilled and balanced life. And next we have the knowledge action gap. We consume endless books, podcasts, and courses but never try to apply the knowledge. In this way, learning becomes a procrastination, a way to feel productive without real progress. So, how to escape this? For every 1 hour of learning, spend 2 to 3 hours executing the learning. Like if you watch a business video, take action, send some cold email, create a prototype. So, we have to focus more on implementation because knowledge is useless without execution. And next we have the time illusion. We act like we have unlimited time, postponing dreams, health or happiness for later. But time is the only resource we can't get back. एक बार समय चला गया तो वो कभी लौट कर नहीं आएगा. So, how to escape this trap? 3 चीजें लिखो जो कि तुम करना चाहते थे बहुत टाइम से लेकिन अभी तक नहीं कर पाए. Like traveling, learning new skill or approaching the girl you like. और इसी हफ्ते में ये एक्शन लो. ट्रैवलिंग करना चाहते हो तो टिकट्स बुक करो. Want to approach the girl you like? Send a message or ask for a social media ID. So live by this rule. अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. So That's it for today. These are 7 traps that must be avoided to live a better life. But if you are addicted to bad habits like porn addiction, cigarettes, alcohol, sleeping too much, and want to prevent these bad habits, then you can watch this video.